start with the question. So the picture or the image on the left and the image on the right, which one do you think is real? So with AI, these days we can do a lot of things. So today I want us to look at one particular tool from Google DeepMind, and that is a Nano Banana. So Nano Banana is a new AI tool that specifically works with images. It allows you to edit image, allows you to generate images, and so on. So without wasting time, let's see what we are talking about. So there are two ways. There are two ways you can access the Google Nano Banana. So you can access it through the Google AI Studio. So if you go to Google and just search for Google AI Studio, or you go to aistudio.google.com, you'll have to sign in with your Google account and you'll land on this particular page. The other way you can access this is by using Gemini. So if you come to Gemini on a new chat and you come to tools here, you can be able to see Nano Banana here. So my preference is I prefer working with AI Studio, the Google AI Studio. So on this one, now let's get started. So what you do is once you land on your AI Studio here is you come to this option here for generate media, and you'll get several tools from Google that helps you generate medias. So we have the Nano Banana, we have the Imagen, we have Bio, and so on. So in this case, we are concentrating with the Nano Banana, which uses Gemini 2.5 Flash image to generate and edit art. So let's go to that. And so up here, it allows you to put in the prompt that you want. So in this case, I have an image that I want us to edit. So I started by showing you two images and asked you which one is the real image. So let's pop this in and we see. So I have two images here. I'll pop this image in here. Well, this is the real image. Now let's see. So the first thing I want to do is I want to transform the car at the back. So I'll give it a prompt. So I want us to change this to Lamborghini. Okay, the spelling Lamborghini. I want it to be black in color. Let's go with some white and red graphics. So there we are. So I want us to change this car to a Lamborghini and want it to be black in color, and we need it to have some white and red graphics. So once you give in your prompt like that, you just do you hit run there and you let the Nano Banana do its work. Okay, so you can see what you're getting. The prompt is loading, as you can see. So there we are. So you can see this is the outcome that we've gotten. So there is a Lamborghini. You can see the car completely changed to a Lamborghini with a black in color and some white and red graphics. So I said there are two ways you can do this. You can do this from Gemini. So I want us to copy this and I want us to go to Gemini here and I want us to try the same thing. So I'll pop in this image here. Again, on tools here, I'll choose create image using Nano Banana. Okay, don't need that. Then here, give it the prompt that you want and let it do the work, submit. So let's see if we'll get the same outcome or something different. Now, basically we'll get something a bit different because each trial you do gives out a different outcome. But basically, you can see this Lamborghini here and this Lamborghini here. They are quite different, but you're getting the idea. So there we are. So the next thing I want us to do is I want us to make this photo full. You can see the shoes are not visible. So let's do this. Make the image of the person. Make the image of the person full. I want to change the shoes. the shoes to, let's do some red Jordan J Force, some red Jordan J Force. So let's see if that will work. So I want the image to be full and want the shoes to be Jordans and red in color. So let's see what we get. Okay, so we are getting something. Let's see what we are getting. Aha, you can see what you're getting. You can see the shoes now. They're red in color and they are Jordans J4s. So if you don't know J4s, you can Google and you'll see that the Jordan J4s that way. Now, you can go further. There are many things you can do. For example, you can say that, give me some hair. So what this will do is it will add some hair to on my head. You can see that the hair is short. So let's see what it comes up with. Let's see what comes up with. So basically, there are a lot of things that you can do with this Nano Banana. It's up to you to think of what you want and just pop in the prompt and see what you get. So here we are, and the guy now has some hair. Okay, not bad. Let's try something else. Okay, change the background to a city setting. So I want us to change this background to a city setting. Let's see. So we should be somewhere in the city. Let us see what we get. So the possibilities are a lot. You can do anything you want, and there we are. So you can see, we moved from wherever we are, and now we're in the city with a Lamborghini there. So there are many things. There are many things that you can do with this with this uh, uh, with this Nano Banana. So for example, one more last thing we can do is I want to change the top. Maybe something trendy. So I want us to change this top to something black and trendy. Let's see what it pulls out. See what it pulls. So there are many possibilities that you can do. So you can bring in another person and you can combine. You can combine two images. You can put yourself to another person standing to the other person. So there are many things that you can do. So see what has happened. I see that top. If it is black and trendy. Yeah, not bad. So you can see the top is now black and okay, okay. Yeah, it looks not bad. Looks nice. Maybe we can try one last thing. Let's find someone here. Let's do see Obama here. See Obama. Get some images of Obama. Which image? Which image? Which image of Obama? Okay, let me try this one. So I'll take this image, I'll save it. I want us to try something. Let's try something. Okay, we have Obama there. Close that. Go back to our studio here. I want us to bring Obama. I want us to want us to, okay, take image of Obama and original image, and put me next to Obama. So let's see. So the original image, and they want us to be next to Obama. Let's run that prompt and see what we get. Yeah, let's see if it pulls that out. See, it's taking time. Let's give it time. We see if it will manage to pull that one. So as you can see, the possibilities are whatever you imagine, you can be able to do it. Just a matter of the prompting. You need to know your prompting, and let us see. You can see Obama is next to us on our Lamborghini here, and you can see the photo of Obama was half, but now you can see the photo is it's full. Okay, now let's try something. Let's try something else. Let's try something else. I want to take this original image. I want to put it here. Now I want to transform this original image to something else. So let me see, transform image to a professional image that I can use on LinkedIn profile. So I want to change this image to something that you can use on our LinkedIn profile. Let's see if it will be able to pull that. Let's see. Let's see what we get. It will give us something. So it's still loading. So the more complex the prompt, the longer time it takes to process the image. You can see, but it will come up. It will come up with it will come up. There you go. You can see. Oh, that's a very professional image. Okay, let's try one more thing. Remove the car and only give me the headshot. Headshot is a passport. Headshot, passport photo in a studio setting. So let's see. So you want to remove the car, and you want this to be just a half photo, a passport photo, and you want it to be in a studio setting. Let's see if it will pull that out. I see. So let's see if we get something. So as you wait for that, tell me if this is something that you can work with. Editing your image, you can use this to come up with marketing materials to market your brand or something. But basically, these are interesting times that we are living in. So, and again, if you enjoy what I'm doing here, kindly subscribe to the channel so that we grow together, and I'll be encouraged to do more content. So look at that. This is something that I think I download it and use it on my LinkedIn profile. It looks very professional, like it was taken in a studio. So that is it. That is what you can do. Some of the things that you can do with Nano Banana, but that's not it. That's not all. You can also do some other stuff. For example, like identifying items. For example, let me do a Nairobi area view here, and I want to take a photo. I want to take this photo of Nairobi here. Let's see if it is big and clear enough. Okay, I think it is. I'll save this image. Okay, so our image is downloaded. I'll bring this image into Nano Banana here, and I'll ask it to identify and label the major buildings that you can see. So we want to see if Nano Banana will identify some of the images here and label them for us based on that prompt and see. Let's see what we get. Okay, taking time, taking time. So tell me what you, in the comment, what you can be able to do, or what idea do you have to use Nano Banana, whether you'll edit your images or you'll be able to do. Okay, there you are. Well, it can't label the images, but at least it has identified the images. You can see as it's telling us the KICC, iconic cylindrical building, and if you check, you can be able to see it's here. The Kenyatta National Hospital. Well, I think that is a miss. You can't see the Kenyatta National Hospital from there, but the Times Tower, you can see the Times Tower. So basically, on identifying images, we can see that it's not quite there, but at least you can see that it is able to do major things. So that is it for today, guys. So that is a Nano Banana to you. So as I said, you can use it within a Gemini. While using it within Gemini, you have to come to tools here and select the create image, Nano Banana. You can see the banana icon there. Or if you're using the studio, Google Studio, which I prefer, you just come to generate media here and select Nano Banana, and you're good to go. One thing you should note at the top here is that you have these tokens. Each time you prompt, these tokens reduce. So if these tokens hit 0, then it means that you'll not be able to generate any other media. You can see the total that you're given and what you've used. I had 32,768. Now I'm having 15,000. Yeah, so you're getting the idea. So if these hit 0, then it means that you'll not be able to generate more media. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to the channel, share with your friends so that we grow together. That's it for me. I'm out, and peace.